Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete your store in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your Shopify account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of your Shopify store where you can manage all the options to control your store, such as the home section, orders, products, customers, and so on. So guys, let's say that we want to delete our store because we are finished with it and we want to delete it so people cannot enter it anymore. Now guys, the first thing we have to do is go ahead right here to search at the top of the page and we want to type in delete. After typing in delete guys, this will open up this new options that you can access, and we want to go ahead and open up this option right here called plan details. So guys, go ahead and click on plan details, and after clicking on plan details guys, this will now open up this new menu where you can see you can manage your store settings. At the left side screen you have all of the settings, and we want to go ahead and open up the plan settings as this already is. And guys, here we can see what plan we have for our store. As you can see, I currently have a trial option going on till today, and guys, if you have nothing going on, then there will appear a button right here to deactivate your store. So first to that guys, I had to go ahead and deactivate my trial, but I don't want to do that right now. So go ahead guys and click deactivate if you have anything going on, and a button will appear right here that will say to close or deactivate your store. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.